You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this musical instrument from South America, I believe. So it's a Spanish name, a Spanish word. Originally, for reference, in Spanish it is said as Guiro. It normally has two dots on the U. This is saying that the U is pronounced like U. Guiro, Guiro. Yeah, so similarly, because it's from Spanish, it's said similarly to Spanish and English as Guiro. Yeah, Gui. It's not Guy, not Guy. Guiro. Stress on the first syllable. Guiro, from Spanish. Guiro. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.